Hi everyone, my name is Haixing HE. I come from Innotech drone, which is a drone manufacturer based in Nantes, in France. We are specialized in VTOL drone manufacture because our drone can fly much faster than a meteorological drone. We can cover much bigger areas. And today we bring our Skycross 3400 in Intergeo because this drone is our best seller, and in terms of cost effective, and also in terms of the payload, which is really the best of our company. And we also carry the YellowScan Ultra V3 as LiDAR sensor because this sensor can be used in many different applications. For example, mining industry, forest, and also BIM, survey and mapping. And we use this kind of LiDAR because we can do many things beyond the traditional photogrammetry. And YellowScan LiDAR is really easy to use. The accuracy is really impressive. So that's why we decided to collaborate with YellowScan as our partner, and we propose the whole solution.